Hi students, welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will learn about Microsoft Office 2000 and you know very well Microsoft Office is a package suite in which there are so many types of software like MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, MS Access. There are so many. So now discuss here about MS Word. Before discuss MS Word, first one know about what is Microsoft Office 2007. Microsoft Office 2007 is a version of Microsoft Office, a family of office suites and productivity software for Windows developed and published by Microsoft company. It was released to volumes licensed customers on November 30, 2006 and to retail customers on January 30, 2007, the same respective release dates of Windows Vista. It was preceded by Office 2003 and succeeded by Office 2010. Now, after that, you know very well Microsoft Office 2007 is the version of updated version of 2003 and latest mostly people are used 2010. And Microsoft Office had many sub softwares like MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, MS Access. There are so many. So now today we will discuss about MS Microsoft Word 2007. MS Word 2007. You all students see the pictures. This is the figure of MS Word. Now, know about introduction of the Microsoft Word 2007. What is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a word processing software package used to type letters, reports, and other documents. MS Word comes in versions. Some of the old version are Word 2003, 2002, or Word 97. Means MS Word is a package of suites of MS Office. Microsoft Word are used to create letter, reports, even your examination paper also type on this software. Now, next one, how to open MS Word. Here are given some steps to perform and you open your MS Word software. First thing, click the start button, then go to all programs, then Microsoft Office and Microsoft Office Word 2007. The Word interface appear. Means when you follow these steps, then you see a MS Word window just like this figure. You see this figure. When you follow these steps, then you see just like this figure on your computer screen. Introduction of Word window. The Word window is a rectangular frame that appears on the screen which is used to interact with Word. Students, see this figure. This figure is MS Word. When you open first time, that time same as it is figure show on your computer MS Word figure. And after that, features on MS Word Windows. There are so many features. Discuss some features here. You see the figure of MS Word here. Office button, tab, quick access toolbar, title bar, scroll bar, view area, right area. There are so many documents, status bar. There are so many. Discuss one by one further. Features of MS Word Windows. The Microsoft Office button, quick access toolbar, the title bar, the ribbon, the ruler, the text area, status bar, understanding document view, understanding non-printing characters, create simple data and select text, place the cursor, start a new paragraph, exit words. There are so many features. First, the Microsoft Office button. This is the very most important things of MS Word. It's found at the top left corner of the Word 2007 window. You can use the menu to create a new file, open an existing file, save file, and perform many other tasks. Means Microsoft Office button inside there are so many functions, like you open a new file, you create a new file, you open existing file, you save as, print. There are so many tasks inside Microsoft Office button. Next one, the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar provides you with access to commands you frequently use. It means you perform which operation more and more time. Then you put on the place of quick access toolbar. An easy way to access. By default, save, undo and redo appear on the quick access toolbar. And you can use save to save your file, undo to roll back an action you have taken, and redo to reapply an action you have rolled back. Discuss later what is undo and redo command. But in quick access toolbar provide a facility to you add any function which are used more and more time in your MS Word. So you set here. Quick access toolbar figure look like this. You see here a quick access toolbar, customized quick access toolbar, where you are put any operation which you want to use more and more time. Next one is the title bar. The title bar displays the title of the document on which you are currently working. When you are not write any name of a title bar, then your title bar show a document one name. When you save your document, you assign the document new name, then your name show in title on title bar. The ruler, you see the figure of ruler. The ruler is found below the ribbon. Just below the ribbon, you see the ruler bar. You can use the ruler to change the format of your document quickly. Means you set the size of your page, how many characters you need, you set here in front and back. If your ruler is not visible, suppose that in your MS Word, open your MS Word and ruler not visible, not show on your MS Word window, then how to open? You follow the steps. Click the view tab to choose it. You click the view tab list and click the check box next to the ruler in the show a hide group. The ruler appear below. You see the figure through the red arrow. You see step first view and step second. Here you click the ruler checkbox. Then your ruler show on your screen. The text area. Text area where you write any application, anything. Means the large area below the ruler is called the text area. You can type your document in the text area. The blinking vertical line in the upper left corner of the text area is the cursor. It marks the intersection point, means where you start the writing. As you type, your text display at the cursor of location. The vertical and horizontal scroll bar. There are two types of scroll bar, vertical and horizontal in your MS Word. The vertical and horizontal enable you to move up, down and across your window simply by dragging the icon located on the scroll bar. The vertical scroll bar is located along the right side of the screen, and the horizontal scroll bar is located just above the status bar. The status bar. the status bar at the bottom of your window and provide the current page. You see the figure, page number 1, page number 2. Here show the status bars. Means suppose that you do your work on MS Word, you create 10 page. But if you click any page, the status bar show in which page you present at that time. And even status bar show the characters, words. How many words you write, status bar show bottom of the screen. Add bullets and number. Sometimes people want to write any things, make any list, then need for sometimes a number and sometimes use a bullet. Then we can understand how to add bullet and number in MS Word. In Microsoft Word, we can easily create bulleted or numbers list of items. Several bulletins and numbering styles are available as shown in example further. You can select any one you wish to use. There are so many types of bullets and number. According to our need, we select any one. Examples of bulletins here: circle, star, arrow. There are so many types of bullets we are used in our MS Word documents. Bullets. How to perform bullets? You see the figure. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means first steps you write any things, any list, and second one you select all list. Step 3, you click the insert tab, and step 4, you click the number list. It's where number list and bullet both. You select the bullet. There are so many types of bullets shown on your figure. According to your choice, you select any one. Numbers means sometimes you need a sequence. Then use a number, alphabet, small, capital, Roman number. Then same thing you follow. First one you write the list according to you, according to your sequence. Then you click the insert tab and select numbers. There are so many different types of number list: Roman, small, capital, alphabet, capital and small. So you select anyone according to your choice. 8. Add page number. Sometimes you create any project, then you need to write a page number, just like your book. Each and every book write content, and after that content mention the page number, which chapter on which page. So you easy way to add page number on your MS Word documents. Page number help you keep your document organized and enable readers to find information quickly. You can add page number to the top, bottom or margin of your page, and you can choose where the numbers appear. For example, numbers can appear at the top of the page, on the left, right or center of the page. Word also offers several number styles from which you can choose. Look here, the figure. Means suppose that you want to add a page number in your Microsoft Word document. Then first step you click the insert and go to page number. And third step you select. Means there are so many options. Means top of the page, bottom of the page, center of the page. You select according to your need. And when you click, then step 4 you show the page number on your MS Word page. Hopefully all students know about MS Word, how to add page number, bullets, numbers, what is title bar, etc. So next video coming soon to discuss about second part of MS Word, because MS Word software is very big and very large content. So second video coming soon. Hopefully you understand better when you see both video and understand about the MS Word. Thank you.